so much for having me on this on your podcast for the second time. So it's always a pleasure being with
हाँ
you. But
हाँ,
thank
देखिए कितना अच्छा लगा है कि बिल्कुल मेंटल हेल्थ का जो आप ही ने भी सजेस्ट किया था कि हम एक मेंटल हेल्थ पर भी वर्क करें। तो हम इसीलिए कहा कि आप ही से शुरुआत करते हैं कि आप बिल्कुल मेंटल हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट हैं और योग और नेचुरोपैथी और आयुर्वेद के विजन में बहुत अच्छे से हेल्प कर सकते हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट्स की। तो जनरली अगर आप कहें कि सबसे कॉमन टॉपिक है आजकल मेंटल हेल्थ पर एंजाइटी, तो अगर हम एंजाइटी पे बात करें तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तो एंजाइटी होती क्या है? लोगों को थोड़ा भी कुछ ऐसा हुआ तो वो एंजाइटी का नाम दे देते हैं। और आप ये प्लीज आप सजेस्ट कीजिए कि व्हाट इज द एंजाइटी।
नहीं, आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा। दिस इज इन द मॉडर्न डे। अभी फिलहाल इन द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो, इफ यू सी, इवन अ चाइल्ड हु इज just 4 or 5 years old also talks about, I'm feeling very anxious and I'm feeling anxiety. And it is like
जी।
when some of the students, when they come home and when I have a conversation with them, so then I asked them that, it's like, how are you managing? It's like you guys are more busier than the oldies. So they're telling that, it is like once you come back from school, you go to football, you go to tuitions, you have these. Mom, it's very stressful. So it's like I start laughing. I asked them that, what do you mean by stress? It is like they don't know what actually stress is. But they know that it is not giving them some kind of a joy or a happiness, but it
एग्जैक्टली।
is like it's some kind of a discomfort. So anxiety, like as you mentioned, off late, anxiety, depression, and stress, these are very common words which is very loosely used by many of the people. Many people use just loosely. So even when I was in Arogyadhama as a doctor, it's actually, I have told you earlier also in my earlier podcast that, it's like Dr. Gangadhar, who was my guide in
हम्म
NIMHANS,
हम्म
would
हम्म
always
हम्म,
tell me, it's just like even while having a conversation, I'm a doctor by profession, but
जी।
he would say that, we all have to be so cautious and vigilant when we are conversing with anybody for that matter. And you can't use loosely these words called as anxiety, depression, and stress. These kind of things, you can't use it very loosely. As a psychiatrist, it's like he knew what he meant by saying those words. So I didn't
हम्म
understand as a doctor. It's like, yeah, it's become very common. But over a period of time, as I started working for my projects in masters and PhD, I realized that, it is like it cannot be used so loosely.
हम्म
So, and anxiety, depression, and stress, these are the very, very common words, when we as human beings come across when we start facing life's challenges. When, some things that, it's like which are inevitable that we have to go through, we have to abide by it, either one of these, it's like either based on the, individual's personality, they come across, being very anxious or, get into the mode of depression and stress. And so it's like these three different, though seems to be like, are like brothers and sisters. It's like anxiety है, depression है, and stress, it's like they're all one together. It's something like, बीपी है तो आपको शुगर भी है. It's something like that. Anxiety है तो डिप्रेशन है, and vice versa.
जी।
So it's become that loose and that common, usage of the words. But in totality, in reality, in the medicine world, if you look into, it's like anxiety is very different from depression, and depression is very different from that of a stress. Okay. So it
हम्म
is like, before we dwell into the term anxiety and then depression and things like that, anxiety is something that, that you get very anxious for
हम्म
anything that you are trying to. For example, it is like kids when they are not prepared well for their exams, despite some people, it's like who are very, very sensitive and, of that nature, they get very anxious of, it's like, "Ah, kal mera exam hai, kal mera exam hai," and these kind of things. So if I have to put it in a more symbolic and in a more, as a whole alternative system, yeah, as a whole, if you take as a human being as a whole, there is a very, very, very famous spiritual master by Lao Tzu, and he says, when an individual, if you are depressed, for example, with just not dwelling into the deep words, if you are depressed, then you are actually living in the past.
ओके
If you,
ग्रेट।
and if you are living in the future, then you are down with an anxiety. Okay.
हाँ
If
यस।
you are living with a peace of mind, then you are living in the present.
Present.
Okay, depression. It's a very beautiful statement given by a that spiritual master, and it
Exactly.
completely completes the whole definition of or the topic that we are trying to discuss today. If you're living in the past, then you are depressed. If you're living in the future, then you are in anxiety. If you have peace of mind, and if you're living here, then you are there smiling like you and me. That
Exactly,
is peace of mind,
exactly. It's a
right?
perfect
It's
word
a
now.
perfect definition of understand. So what happens in anxiety basically is that that we get anxious for over every small things. So about
Hmm.
33.7% of the overall population is suffering from anxiety today.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
majority of them, it is like are women, and but off late, where we see even men also going through the same, because work stress itna bad gaya hai, in the in the present period, that
Hmm.
it's like over it's not that the working hours are limited to 8 hours. I keep mentioning, I keep and I'm sometimes surprised also, because there, when the year end comes, this I see with my husband, it is like when the year end comes, any time of the day I see him, he's working. Any time of the night when I wake up at 1 o'clock, that's like that. I see him sitting with his laptop. It's like it's so surprising for me, and I'm like, what's happening? And sometimes I get up at 2, sometimes at 3. He's with the system.
Laptop only.
Absolutely, and their complete physiology is disturbed, right? So what is
Exactly.
happening? So there is nothing called as a period of working, and nobody is able to balance today. Everyone is talking about wellness ki baat karte hain, and everyone tells that it is like work life balance is a must, and the key to mantra is this and that, and no, nothing is, no, nobody is balancing anything off late. Either of one you need to choose. Okay, so earlier it was very good that people used to work for 6 to 8 hours or 8 to 9 hours maximum. That was
Hmm.
overtime as an OT, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Today, all the IT and the other sector people are working overtime, because
Overtime.
competition has become so much so that it's like all of us are into that rat race. So when you get into this mode of a rat race, then you get anxious. Then you
Hmm.
get into this mode of anxiety. You won't
Hmm.
be able to face any kind of a challenge, and then that's where you end up with uh, anxiousness, and
Hmm.
you feel whatever the circumstances and the challenges that you are facing, it threatens you. You get threatened.
हाँ,
And
हाँ.
now,
Hmm.
whether I'll be able to do, if the child is completely prepared for their exams, very well prepared for their work, whatever presentation or anyone, all of us go through this kind of a bit of anxiousness and all that. Earlier, it is like in those days, हम लोगों को भी ना, जब हम लोग एग्जाम्स के लिए जाते थे, तो we also would get panic, and then anxious. हम लोगों को ये वर्ड पता ही नहीं था कि
पता
पैनिक
नहीं
का
था.
मतलब क्या है एंड एंशियस का क्या है. either one either mother or father would calm down us, that बेटा डोंट वरी, जितना आता है ना तो उतना लिख के आ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके, यू डोंट, दे वर नॉट, सो पीपल वर वेरी वेरी considerate, very patientful. They were not into this kind of a rat race. So it's like they would say that it's okay, there is something which is higher in life than all this
Hmm.
and
Exactly,
है ना.
exactly. It's so
हर
important.
सेकंड में all of us are into this kind of anxiousness. So what happens? So anxiety always puts you to that kind of a mode of
Hmm.
क्या होगा आगे, क्या होगा आगे. You will perform good. See, good amount of anxiousness is important, because that pushes you. A
Hmm.
little bit of a
Hmm.
sympathetic push is important, because that charges you to do good things. But what happens is that when you succumb yourself to that kind of a condition, that's when you get labeled with these anxiety disorders.
एग्जैक्टली exactly. मैं भी उसी पे आ रही थी कि मतलब दैट्स अ नॉर्मल एंग्शियसनेस और नॉर्मल जैसे हमारे हिंदी में बोले घबराहट एंग्शियसनेस ऐसा होता है कि आपको चीजों के लिए फ्यूचर के लिए आप थोड़ा सा टेंशन में हैं लेकिन एज ए सब ऐसा कुछ सिम्टम या ऐसा कुछ आप सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगे कि व्हेन वी वांट टू मतलब वी कैन सीक हेल्प कि हमको हेल्प चाहिए अब तो एंग्जाइटी
हाँ,
इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ गई है आपकी एंग्शियसनेस इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ गई है कि व्हाट इज द टाइम गुड टाइम कि हाँ इस टाइम तो अब आपको यू नीड हेल्प
हाँ.
और एनी
क्या होता
प्रोफेशनल
है ना,
हेल्प.
that's why, as I told you, it is like simple anxiousness that what we used to feel for exams and all that
Hmm.
was temporary for the fraction of
Hmm.
second that
Hmm.
get. You go, you get your question paper, you write, you are okay, you know the answers, and you that's gone, and then you start writing it. But
Hmm.
what happens is that when you get anxious about something, for
Hmm.
example, to say, some people, keep get anxious when the maid doesn't come, they get very
Hmm.
anxious. When the
Hmm.
post doesn't come, they get very anxious.
Hmm. Hmm.
छोटे छोटे बातों पे, छोटे छोटे काम पे ना, they get very anxious. So when this nagging quality gets in so much into them, and
Hmm.
they start worrying about continuously, that's when it becomes a part of them. If
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
just have that positive anxiousness for some time and then you
Hmm.
leave it, then you're not a victim of it. But
Hmm.
when this nagging becomes constant and constantly you're worrying about it, you become, you sensitize yourself, right? Then you have a sudden panic attack.
हाँ.
Really? हाँ, if you can see this kind of
हाँ,
expressions.
बॉडी कोलैप्स कर जाती है, एड्रेनलिन रश और क्या
Exactly, that's a
क्या.
panic
हाँ.
attacks, right? So क्या क्यों होता है? Because अगर बच्चे अगर स्कूल के लिए जा रहे हैं, and then 3:30 is their coming back time. If the mother doesn't see the van at 3:30, you can see all this symptoms that what I'm saying. It is like उनकी heart rate बढ़ जाएगी. They'll have palpitations. They'll start sweating. They get restless, and then it is like अनाप शनाप की negative thinking starts coming, and but what happens is that if it is on the contrary, the flip side of that is, okay, maybe there's a traffic jam. Maybe
हम्म.
that they might have had some kind of an activity in the school, or maybe
हम्म.
there's a breakdown. You give a
हम्म.
call. If
हम्म.
you handle yourself, then you don't get into it. But once, just because that this has happened, you constantly keep happening, and if you're not observant of your behavior, why am I doing consistently like this, and nagging about things for small things, that's when you need help. But what happens is that most of the people think that no, no, it's very normal. ये बहुत ही
हम्म.
normal है,
हम्म. हम्म.
ये हड़बड़ी जरूरत है. People think, but no, it's not required, because the nagging has become a part of you, and you have been nurturing it, like constantly manure देके, जैसे when you give a manure, sunlight, water to the plant, the same thing you're giving it to your mind, and that becomes a part of you. That's when you need treatment. But on the
Exactly.
contrary, exactly. So what is very important, when you, for every small things that you start acting like this, you start nagging, constant nagging, you start worrying, you get nervousness, you get panicky about small things and all that. Either you, if you are not observing what is happening within you, if you're any of your family member, your friends, anybody in the family, in the surrounding,
हम्म. हम्म.
if they
हम्म.
notice this, kindly don't think that that they are pointing something negative what you're trying to do, but
हम्म.
rather than what you have not observed about you, that the other person is able to see, because before आप कैसे थे,
Sometime,
आप क्या
yes.
हो गए हो,
Yes.
they'll be able to make out the difference, right?
हाँ,
When
sometime the other can guide us कि हाँ कि फैमिली मेंबर
actually
की आई
identify
फील
कर लेते
चेंजेस.
हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
Correct. When they
हम्म.
identify that, then
हम्म.
start observing, oh, am I nagging, am I worrying, am I getting very tensed, am I getting very panicky for every small things? When that things happens, that's the call that you need to seek a
एग्जैक्टली.
doctor. Okay.
हाँ.
So this
परफेक्ट.
is what happens every time anxious. This is
हाँ,
anxious.
उसी का ही साइड इफेक्ट्स होंगे ना. जैसे अब ये तो बड़ा अच्छा कि उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स में ये सारा जो तो हाइपरटेंशन है, पीसीओएस है, मतलब ये सारा जो मतलब ये पैनिक अटैक्स है, माइग्रेन हेडेक, टेंशन हेडेक, ये सारा धीरे धीरे एक्यूमुलेट होते होते बॉडी में डिजीज बन जाता है. अगर आप इनिशियल स्टेज पर ही डॉक्टर को दिखा लें, हेल्प ले लें, तो आपकी
Exactly.
एंग्जाइटी और आप उसको मैनेज अच्छे से कर पाएंगे, तो आप क्रॉनिक डिजीज की तरफ बढ़ेंगे ही नहीं. तो
बिल्कुल
दिस इज
सही कहा आपने,
एब्सोल्युटली. हाँ.
because as you don't recognize these small things, over a period of time, it is like these starts becoming a very very terrifying symptoms. It starts affecting the victims, physiologically, cognitive, emotion wise, symptoms wise, a lot of things starts happening. Once, if it gets into your physiology, physiological,
हम्म.
hypertension आ गई है, so diabetes है, then your PCOD है, then these things, cognitive, you want to do a lot of things, you're forgetting, right?
हम्म.
Not able to focus, you're
हम्म.
getting irritated, you're becoming very impulsive, you don't need any small triggers, your whole personality becomes so much so that
हम्म.
the moment you open your mouth, you start getting irritated, you start shouting, you start getting impulsive,
एग्जैक्टली.
and
एग्जैक्टली.
you're always agitated.
हाँ, तो
So
दैट्स
these are
वाई.
the things. Hmm.
एग्जैक्टली, यू आर सेइंग जस्ट परफेक्टली. इट्स सो गुड कि हाँ, हम उससे अभी आपको सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, तो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के लिए what do you suggest? How yoga can help in this self awareness? क्योंकि
Before
yoga is a
coming to
beautiful.
the, no, absolutely,
Please,
that's the trick.
please.
But before
हाँ.
coming to that part of how yoga can help you, it is like I would like to tell the difference between anxiety and depression, before
Please,
I dwell
please.
into
हाँ.
it.
Please.
So
हाँ.
what happens is that, as I've already told you that, living in the future leads you to these anxiety and all that. Anxiety, other than that, also has a lot of other territories wherein which, this, I told you that small things where you get tense,
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
comes into this generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. Then this comes as panic disorders. Oh, for everything, ये कहाँ चाबी कहाँ, those, you get panicky about things. Then there are certain times where anxiety can become one of the causative factor for your PTSD. For example, post traumatic, symptoms, stress disorder, आपका कुछ,
Hmm.
when you were a kid, some trauma that you have gone through, and then you have not expressed it, or it wasn't addressed by them, by the family member. What is happening, it is like you carry on with that, and you being very anxious and stressed and quiet, and these kind of things becomes a part of your personality. That's how
Hmm.
you grow. So it is like your cognitive, your every abilities starts, you start doubting your own self, right? When you start self doubt jab aa jati hai na, then you won't be able to achieve things in your life, because you're always doubtful. So sometimes, specific phobias, for example, people are very scared of cockroaches.
Hmm.
There's a lizard there and you are studying, your focus is always on the lizard and you're stressed.
हाँ.
You know,
Sometime yes. Hmm.
this also comes under anxiety,
Hmm.
into the branch of anxiety. Specific phobias bhi hai. And then, social, anxiety disorder. Some people get very, very anxious when they see crowd.
Hmm.
Some people are not at all comfortable being in
हाँ,
the
there are
crowd.
many trigger factors actually. मतलब डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सबको अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो बिल्कुल आपने ही सही कहा. हाँ.
Exactly. So what
Hmm.
what happens is that when they see the crowd, now they get very tensed. They start sweating. They can't talk. They start
Hmm.
blabbering. They get very fearful, very scared. So this is also a social anxiety disorder where
Anxiety.
people will not be able to do things. And obsessive compulsive disorder also comes. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? साफ नहीं किया है, ये नहीं किया. This also comes, but over a period of time, now OCD and etc., PTSD, everything has come out of this, from the branch of anxiety, and we are studying, DSM-4 5 में ना अलग ही एक वो एक condition हो गई है. So we study under those. So
Okay.
what happens so this is about anxiety. So depression में क्या होता है? Depression basically is a condition.
Hmm.
You are going through some kind of a health condition. For
Okay.
example, okay, you must
Okay.
have gone through some traumatic experience. You lost a very close
Okay.
family member.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
you failed, and people started. Failed. Fail is something
हाँ.
that very common thing. Yeah,
Exactly.
and it is like, and some kind of a loss in the business. When I was working in Arugidham, I had seen lot many people, feeling lost, and post pandemic, during pandemic
हाँ.
lost
Exactly.
to lot many people, right? So and their businesses had gone, and many men got into the state of depression. So when I was
Hmm.
lecturing in Arogyadhama, then I would see all youngsters sitting in my gathering, in my talk. So then I would ask them that what's your name, and then introduce yourself, and then and when I would make them interact, it is like what is the reason that that I got an opportunity to see you. I would put it on a very lighter note. तो तब बोलते थे कि मैम went through a business loss, felt very discouraged, and I didn't get a good encouragement or whatever, those kind of reasons. You go through some kind of a trauma, some kind of a loss, some kind of a losing a very close one, heartbreak, marriage टूट गई, divorce,
Hmm.
and these
Hmm.
kind of things, a physiological or a illness which is being persistent for a very, very long time, that's what leads a man to get into a state of depression, because
Okay.
they're always in the past, ना. अभी
हाँ.
2025 है, फिर भी ना 2004 2002 की ना उसी को लेके ना चिंता करते रहते हैं. 5 6
जी.
साल हो गया पैंडेमिक होके, अभी भी
Past. हाँ.
पास्ट में
They are
रहते हैं.
living in the past.
They are
हाँ.
living in the past. So depression में क्या होता है, when person doesn't want to do any kind of an activity, he wants to sit. He keeps
Hmm.
brooding about what has happened in the past, and मुझे ही क्यों, मैं क्यों, why
Why
me,
me? Why
why
me?
me, why me, why me, 24 hours they're, or all the time they're thinking only about why me, and that why me makes them so much physically inactive. It pushes them into the state of inertia. So that's why they don't want to do any kind of a work, any kind of an activity. It is very, very difficult to put them to that state of activeness. It is very difficult. So always living in the future is anxiety, always living in the past is your depression. So this is a
Exactly.
very common thing, है ना?
Perfect.
So stress is something, when you think about stress का मतलब क्या होता है? Stress is just nothing but particular condition में क्या हो सकता है,
Hmm. Hmm.
cardiovascular health का कुछ issue हो गया, या something, suddenly you are working and suddenly it is like you got to know that the cylinder burst हो गई है, या some kind of, and suddenly it is like your family member or some very close person met with an accident, or हाँ. So when that such kind of health issues happen, you get into that temporary mode of stress. But when this stress that you have, worry, what happens with the temporary mode of stress, puts
Hmm.
you into that sympathetic and parasympathetic. है ना?
Exactly.
So
Hmm.
that sympathetic system, when your sympathetic system is high and you go through this stress mode, that is for a short period of time, right?
Hmm.
Then
Exactly.
when you get to know that they are fine, and then the doctor has taken care, normalcy ho gayi hai and all that, then immediately it comes down,
Normal.
you will come to normal state. But as you again focus on, oh my god, I got into that state, your own mind start picturizing, na, which has not happened also. That's when you either get into the category of the stress will become a causative factor for either to have anxiety or to have depression. So stress is just these things. So
Hmm.
challenges has to be taken care as how it comes rather than
Exactly.
getting panicky, right? So what happens in the modern treatment, modern mode में क्या मतलब, what do I say, not the alternative system of medicine, our English medicine या
जी
modern
जी एलोपैथिक हाँ हाँ
allopathic
हम्म,
medicine में क्या
हम्म,
होता है, it is like to reduce these anxiety and depressive symptoms, they'll put you on some medication for some
हम्म,
time. So
हम्म,
what happens is that when you have anxiety, when the doctor prescribes you certain medicines, I don't want to name those
नो प्लीज हाँ
medicines. So it is like you are vulnerable to get into a mode of depression as well. Those medications side effects,
मेक्स यू डल तो दैट्स वाई कि वो डल आपको डिप्रेशन
either
की तरफ
सोते
ले जाए
रहते हो या तो
हाँ
आप कुछ
हाँ
एक्टिविटी करते
तो
रहो,
वो हाँ ये तो एंजाइटी से आपको डिप्रेशन में ले जाएंगे या डिप्रेशन से आपको एंजाइटी में ले जाएंगे ये
एंग्जाइटी
आपका प्रेजेंट या प्रेजेंट में नहीं इन पास्ट आइदर
or in
पास्ट
the
और आइदर
future. So
फ्यूचर
you're dwindling between your past and your
एग्जैक्टली
future. है
एग्जैक्टली
ना? So the people who are living with them in the family also will be having such tough time,
हम्म
handling them and their mood swings and so much and so on, right? So there used to be a time in the allopathy system of medicine where these kind of medications would be given, and it is like if the parents and the family members were living in a joint family and things like that, they would come out of it. And now that it is like in this period it's only a nuclear family, you
न्यूक्लियर
need to
फैमिली
deal with the stress and all of that. You don't get to see the same scenario that we used to see earlier time, right?
अर्लियर टाइम
So most of the time people say that I don't have time. So I say even to my house help who comes, who's always in the
इन
hurry,
हरी इन हरी
always in a hurry. So I say that it is like I feel when I look at you, for you even breathing is a work, is a task. She laughs out and she says, "Ha, Didi, it is right." So what happens? You're always on the jumping mode, and you're always like this. So when you get into that mode of hardbody, and rather than doing good to yourself, you harm yourself. And when you are
एग्जैक्टली
always in
द
that
मास्टर ऑफ नन एंड जैक ऑफ ऑल्स तो
jack
वही
of all
वाली
and
बात हो
master
गई
of none, वही बात हो जाती है कि
हम्म
at the same time, neuroscientists have very clearly, categorically have come up with the studies and made a statement. Human brain is made, and this mind that what we're talking, it is made to focus only on one thing at a
हाँ
time.
हाँ इट्स अ मल्टीटास्किंग इज अ मिथ एक्चुअली वो
It's a
सबको
myth.
आपको
It's
हाँ
totally, because it's actually myth भी नहीं है, मैं बोलती हूँ वो झूठ है. झूठ, it's a big lie, and
हाँ
it was passed on from ages, and it was always told, women are multitasking and all that. No, I don't. I totally disagree, and I say that it is like it's not. There is nothing called as a multitasking.
हम्म
In this world, it's just that your mind can focus on only one thing at a time, and the multitasking, you are able to do it two things at a work, or two or three things at a time. It's only because of your habit. You have
Exactly.
made these extremities so powerful that it is just trying to handle. But when you're handling two things or three things, you spill the things. Four burners hai. Again, you ek taवे पे रोटी रख दिया. You have kept milk, you have kept
नहीं नहीं, वो
chai.
डिस्टरबेंस होता
It's
है।
a very disturbing. You will not be able to do the activity, perfectly the way that when you focus on one. That's why
एग्जैक्टली।
yoga says, and that yoga karma sukhaushanam.
कौश।
Bhagavad Gita says, it's like dexterity in action. Dexterity is perfectness in doing the things, right? Any work that you do, you have to do it with that perfection. Perfection here basically means doing it neatly.
हाँ, डूइंग इट
Okay,
विथ वन फोकस, डू इट विथ
at
फोकस।
one focus, and the work that what you have taken, you need to complete it and in a nicer way, to your best of the ability. The key to that is silence. The
हम्म।
key to that, to do one work at a time and in a nicer way, is only when your mind is calm. The silence basically means here is calmness. So
काम।
that calmness can come only when you are in the present moment. So when you start identifying, when your family member is able to identify that these kind of changes are happening, for example, or these days, kids are also into that mode of competition.
हम्म।
Especially as the difference that what I told you about anxiety, you need to think about depression as well.
हम्म।
Women go through, men go through these kind of symptoms. For especially, you're worrying about your past, you're brooding continuously about it, but for no reason for no reason, if you feel like sitting and crying,
हम्म।
if you feel like not
समटाइम्स।
going and talking to anybody, you want to be aloof, you want to be within the four walls, when you start seeing such kind of, you taking a back seat and, staying away, that's the alarm. That's the alarm to you that something is not normal with me. And you need to speak out to your spouse, your parents, or to any of your health concerned person. And
हम्म।
you need to take their advice timely. When
एग्जैक्टली।
you start identifying these kind of things, these kind of symptoms in you, you need help. And
हम्म।
especially women who are going through menopause and the pre-menopause time,
हाँ।
etc., these kind of mood swings will be there. You feel like crying. You just feel like crying without any reason. क्यों? Why are you crying? If somebody asks you, I don't know, मगर मुझे
हाँ, PMS symptoms are also there, actually premenstrual syndrome.
Yes, so that's
So,
when these are the identification that you're supposed to do. And when you feel that that you're rushing in everything, you need to slow down. So even
mm,
the doctors, the allopaths, the psychiatrist, and the psychologist as well, who does the correction with the behavior and does a lot of psychological counseling, the counselors, the psychologist who does, they have lot of regards, or they always suggest that you need to take the support of yoga and meditation.
ah,
Okay, so along with the medications in the chronic conditions, if the patients need medications, along with the medications, the support from yoga, Ayurveda, and the alternative system that what we are talking about, you know, are very, very helpful in combating
mm,
these conditions. Okay, so that's why it is extremely important. You cannot make a person who is so anxious to close your eyes and sit and meditate. You
hmm,
cannot make a depression person who is always in the past to sit and meditate. Meditation
exactly.
doesn't mean that अच्छा अच्छा थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है मेडिटेशन कर लो यार ठीक हो जाएगा.
नहीं,
No,
हाँ,
it's
ये
not like
बिल्कुल
that.
इम्पोर्टेंट बात कही आपने कि एकदम से हम किसी को मेडिटेशन में नहीं बिठा सकते, वो कैसे फेज में है उसको लाना पड़ेगा। तो वही हम आपके पास पूछना चाह रहे थे कि हाउ, मतलब वो कैसे मैनेज करें। जैसे एक
Yes.
योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर्स भी बीच में हम जैसे होते हैं नए, तो उनको नहीं समझ में आता, उनको भेज दिया डॉक्टर ने। तो वही है कि ये किस तरीके से क्या क्या प्रैक्टिसेस, और हाउ वी कैन डाइवर्ट देम एंड वी कैन मोटिवेट देम टू डू, to gain the calmness also, so
Uh,
please.
See, most important in the conditions like anxiety, depression, and stress, or anything, before the yoga instructors or the therapists, before they start their practices for the clients or the patients who have come, you need to listen to and know a bit of the conditions that they are going through. That's the first step. And the second step is that, person who are with the anxiety, the
Hmm.
key to combat anxiety is only through breathing techniques.
Hmm.
Breathing techniques does not mean that tell them to sit and do pranayama and things like that. You cannot make a person sit and do even that. So the best way is that, put them through breathing exercises along with the body movements,
Mm.
so that, so physically activity also that they do along with, calming down of their sympathetic system through their breathing exercise. So what happens is that when once they start doing physical movements along with involving of the breath, inhalation and exhalation, or retention of the breath, that's the kumbhakam. It is like they start, their mind, which is so anxious, always living in the future, is always aage kya hoga. No, you pull them back to the present and streamline them, slowing in,
Mm.
helping them calming down, right? So the counts that what the instructors give it to them has to be so slow, and you have to encourage them one to one. You need to encourage them to slow down, so that, that their hyperness which is there, that hyperness
Mm.
which is there slowly starts coming down, and then they start shifting from the sympathetic mode to parasympathetic mode.
Exactly.
when
Correct.
the when they start shifting from sympathetic to parasympathetic, that's when they start feeling that yoga is helping. When
Mm.
this physical movement and the anxiety and the palpitations and nervousness and etc starts slowing down in them, that's when eventually you'll have to put them to pranayama practices. And especially in the anxiety, the best practices that you need to do is that, moon, the
Mm.
chandra bheda, the nadi shuddhi pranayama, or the chandra bheda pranayama, that only taking through the left nostril and giving out, that has to be done more. Tell them that, it is like, do it thrice in a day, or four times in a day, like early morning, afternoon, once you, either before going for the lunch, with the gap of 45 minutes, or in the evening before having your chai, or at 6
Mm.
o'clock when you sit for your meditation or whatever, and before going to bed. It is extremely important for them to slow down in that way,
Mm.
so that it really helps them to come back to that present state of mind. So that's when, physical movements with the breath, then the pranayama practices, and then they have to shift to meditation. Then we have a lot of other advanced practices like cyclic meditation and MSRT, which can be adapted into the practices depending upon the levels in which that they are in. Patients have
Exactly.
different varieties. I told you the different territories of the anxiety. Depending on that, they will start showing the symptoms. On the contrary, it is like even for the depression patients, in the depression patients, you will have to pull them out of their inertia. From
Mm.
tamas to rajas, you need to
Rajas.
push them, right? So you have to put them on a lot of physical activities. That's the dynamic exercises that you need to make them walk, brisk walk, put them onto jogging, forward, backward bending,
Yeah.
these kind of, twist and turns, these kind of movements that you need to jerk them out, so that, they are out of their inertia, right?
Exactly.
That's
Mm.
when, they start coming to you. They initially they will be very, very resistant.
Mm.
They
Mm.
don't want to do any kind of a movement, because they would be wallowing in their
Mm.
sadness, and
Mm.
they're actually enjoying, their mind is actually enjoying that. Look, you
Mm.
don't do that any activity, you're very happy, you're comfortable in this, be like this, is their own mind which will suggest them to sit in one place. But that's when the therapist has to help them. They have
Mm.
to help them to come out of their inertia, move, do a lot of movements. When they start doing the movements, that's when the body starts responding, because we see a lot of physiological, cognitive,
Mm.
everything is deranged in them, right? So that's when they start giving interest. When a little bit of a push is given to, wow, you're doing so fantastic, amazing. These kind of a
Yes.
push, when you start pushing with the positivity, to the patients, they feel really, wow, we're also getting the attention, we are
Exactly.
valued.
The positive words, positive words work good actually. Mm.
Great, they feel every human being wants to be valued, right? So when that they feel that they are lost, they are useless, they are not able to do anything, when you value them by these positive things, there is a good hormones, which also generates inside their body, and their moods get elevated. And that's when you should slowly shift them to, from dynamics to the breathing exercises, then to the asanas, and put them on surya namaskara, so that, it is like it'll brisk them out more, and then, they'll be charged up. When the moment the body will start feeling lightness, that's when they'll start feeling that, wow, I'm feeling good about myself, yoga is working.
Mm.
That's when, eventually you should practice, put them to kapalbhati practices, and then that's when, that dynamic activity gets generated, dynamism gets generated in them, and that's when yoga starts working. That's slowly you should put them to pranayama practices, then meditation, and then Simple
The
DRT will
calmness is
definitely work,
there. Exactly. The calmness is
right?
there. Perfect.
They're valued. So stress also is the same thing that you need to deal with it, right? So what happens is that most importantly, off late, most of the dietitians and etc. are talking too much about this food, that food, and etc. Right? Simple food is more than enough. Something which is easily digestible, even in the conditions
Hmm.
of anxiety and depression or the stress. The more you start pushing yourself to eating junk food and eating outside, lot of food, untimely, right? All these things will actually derange the entire system. It's a beautiful system that what God has given us, right? We
Exactly.
need to maintain the homeostasis within that by maintaining a disciplined life. You need to eat how much your body wants. It will give you a
Hmm.
signal. Look, you can't keep dumping something,
Exactly.
I
Huh.
know. So it will tell you, look, 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 I don't want, please, I can't take so much of pizza that you're putting inside. My stomach I'm already eaten till here. But still, because you have got, you can't dump yourself. So you need to
Hmm.
be
Mindful
very,
eating
very
जैसे आप कह रहे हैं.
mindful.
Mindful
Exactly.
eating.
You
हाँ.
need to be very, very watchful. You should be mindful. And when you are eating, you should enjoy your food. You
Hmm.
have to be mindful. You can't say that you put today every kid, you khana de do or haath mein mobile pakda do, and or you put them some cartoon, they will eat more than what it is required.
हाँ.
That's when we
Exactly.
see the obese kids these days, and they don't know what they have eaten. I asked some of the kids who come for my tuitions at home. I asked them at 5 o'clock, "What did you eat after coming back from school?" They don't even remember what they've done. I'm aghast. I said, "You really don't remember what?" Then I get back to that cycle. What did you have for breakfast? What did you have for lunch? Most of the
No.
kids don't even remember what they would have eaten. So this is the
Hmm.
mindless eating. So I educate kids, that you need to know what you're eating. So third, fourth
Hmm.
day, they themselves come and tell me, ma'am, I ate this and I ate that. So I tell them, I educate them, mindful eating is very important. You
Very
need to enjoy
important.
the taste, which taste you really like. So I say breathing has to be mindful, eating has to be mindful,
Mindful.
thinking has to be mindful, living has to be mindful. We are all human beings. We all say that it is like after so many births that after 80 births or whatever that you get a human birth or that cycle of
Hmm.
whatever. But when you have been given this beautiful body, human body, and we are actually torturing it by not maintaining any of these things. So before focusing on to the body, the much importance has to be given to the body. Double of that has to be given to your mind. So that's why
Exactly.
it is like pandemic was a great opening for the to understand for many of the people across the globe to understand what is happening with this one entity called as a mind. So that's why mental health and educating about the mental health became extremely important because
Hmm.
people started experiencing and they didn't know what was happening. So
Hmm.
when you start
Exactly.
identify with these anxiousness and simple things, you need to calm down. It's okay.
Perfect.
If I don't do it today, it's okay. I will do it
Doesn't
tomorrow.
matter. हाँ,
So just
exactly. It's
calm
not
down.
a race or it's not a any मतलब it's a life
होना ही
threatening
है.
things. हाँ, life threatening things.
है ना, it's so the calming down is extremely important, slowing down is important. अगर आज नहीं हुआ है तो it's okay, घंटे के बाद हो सकता है. If not one day, it's okay, you can do it tomorrow.
Perfect.
It is
Perfect.
not that so rushing is not the key. The key to longevity is slowing down. The key
Slowing
to
down and the
longevity is not
mindfulness,
the
the
fast.
awareness. Yes,
Yes.
yes,
So
yes.
that's why Ayurveda also talks about all this, telling that it is like giving the importance to human body and human mind. Atharva Veda, Ayurveda is a part of the Atharva Veda, the fourth
Atharved.
Veda, and you will be surprised. I was very surprised when I did work in my master's and my PhD for in the mental health,
Hmm.
that enormous knowledge is hidden in Atharva Veda, which talks so much about mental health, right? And then talks about the way that the body has to be treasured. And given this Ayurveda completely talks about saying that it is not an alternative system as a health, but rather than it says it's the science of life, how
Hmm.
you're supposed to be, how you're supposed to keep your body and mind. And
Hmm.
beautifully it is like it has dedicated chapters on giving the importance of taking care of your body and health through dinacharya and rutucharya. How
हाँ.
your day morning has to start from what? to how it has to end, and throughout the day how you're supposed to consume. And different individuals, every human being is different from one another. We're all unique individuals with unique personalities, right? So for you, every personality that they have given
Ah,
the
we can do
Dinercharya
it.
and the
We can
Dinercharya.
we can do it another episode of this because of your vata pitta kapha,
Yeah.
anxiety, depression. Because every personality is different. The
Yes,
every combination is different. So we can do a self check questionnaire or self check thing
absolutely.
about the next episode. It's like a good thing.
Constitution, beautiful. So that's where,
Constitution.
even so when people are unable to identify, just because a couple of times that you're getting anxious, and sometimes you're not feeling like working, rest karne
Mm.
and all that, then suddenly you should not think, am I being depressive? Am I getting depression? I'm thinking a lot, oh, I'm getting so anxious. These are not the way. If it has to, any condition has to be persistent to be diagnosed with anxiety or depression. So the
Exactly.
beauty about even the modern medicine is that they have lot of psychometrics, in the sense, it is like they have psychological batteries. There are a lot of questionnaires in which that if you tick, there are variable scales, there are variable ratings to it, and only when you come into that criteria, only then you will be diagnosed as anxiety and depressive patient. Not
Hmm.
that just because with one or two symptoms you cannot label your own self like the kids, and the so
Perfect.
rudely when they are using it.
यस तो
So
यू
the
आर गिविंग
same
अ
way.
परफेक्ट यस तो
Yes,
बिल्कुल परफेक्टली आपने बहुत अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट किया और बहुत अच्छे से चीजों को बताया एंड द मोर एंड व्हेन यू लिव इन प्रेजेंट you will be peaceful. When you live
yes,
in future, you will be feel anxiety, and when you
exactly.
live in the past, you will just feel the depression. It's so beautiful thing.
So I'm
One more
thankful to the
thing.
spiritual master,
Exactly, exactly. Our actually ancestors and all the Vedas and all the scriptures actually. So one more thing I just want to कि any specific first aid for the anxiety attack जैसे कि हाँ panic attacks आ रहे हैं कि मैं क्या करूँ मेरे एग्जाम है मैं तैयार नहीं हुई टाइम पर या मेरे को ऐसा हो रहा है तो उसके लिए what any first aid if you can suggest any first aid.
I would suggest the first aid would be that just चुपचाप बैठ जाओ, just sit. The
हाँ.
moment such kind of a rushing is happening, na, that's when you need to say that it is like, am I living in the moment, or am I
Hmm.
living in the past or in the future? I'm living in the future, right? So it's like, so what happens is that just because abhi, for example, today both of us are doing this podcast, and we are very much here. Not that we don't have responsibilities, we have good amount of, once this podcast is done, we have our own errands to do, right? But we are
Exactly.
not being bothered about it. We know that it has to be taken care of, we will take care of it. But what is important is, we know that we are vigilant, we are sharp, we know that we have to live in the present. Only then we will be able to do the right things. So we are doing the right things. So the same way, every human being, whatever the work that they are doing, they should be in the present moment, that they
Hmm.
should make it as an habit. So it's a duty of a parent, of a mother especially, to tell them, the kid, to tell kids that, beta dekho, no, look, put off the TV, जो मैंने खाना दिया है ना, can you identify it? Have I given a
Seriously, it's
stale
so
food?
important.
It's so
Every time,
important.
if any person or any kid be in a present, na, they can enjoy that moment of life, that food, and that actually all these
Everything.
things, the blessings of all the Mother Nature actually.
Absolutely, absolutely. So that's why it
Beautiful.
is extremely important that we should make an habit, a mindful habit, that I need to live in the present. Need to live in the moment. Only when this is constantly told, a mother or a parent in the family has to constantly pull their children back, saying that
Hmm.
be in the present,
Be
be
in
in
the
the
present.
present. क्या खा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या सोच रहे हो? These are the questions that you need to keep asking. When you just do it 2 to 3 times, it will sink into your subconscious mind, and you will start seeing your own self. What's happening with me? Oh my god, okay, I think I'm rushing.
Ah,
This
it's
happens.
like a alarming call,
It's
alarming
an
call. So
alarming
it's
call. It
so
just,
good.
it's a
Perfect.
it's a it's a call that comes from within. Biological clock है अंदर, जैसे उठा, अपने आप ही उठ जाते हैं ना सुबह सुबह.
तो हम
The
अवेयर
same
हो जाते
way,
हैं
the
हाँ.
mind will tell you that, look, you are rushing up and I can't take it. So that's when I sit. And
Perfect.
I tell
Agreed.
you, today the mantra of my life is that I don't want to get into any kind of a rat race. जितना किया बस किया, but at the end of the day, what is most important is your peace of mind. Nothing is important than your peace of mind. What makes you happy, just do that. What makes you happy and gives you the joy, eat that. But everything has to be done in moderation.
ब्यूटिफुल,
The key to that,
ब्यूटिफुल.
I'm not telling that don't eat this, don't eat that. Do everything, but do it in moderation. That is the key, right? Bhagavad Gita says, mitahara, vihara, and mita vichara. That is the key to all of this. The moment we start realizing, the moment we are in the vigilant mode, that we are living in the present, that's when we will be able to identify कि मैं बहुत rush कर रही हूँ, या मैं बहुत बैठ गई हूँ,
हाँ,
you know,
सेल्फ
I'm
अवेयरनेस, यू कैन से दैट
self aware.
सेल्फ अवेयरनेस इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट.
Exactly.
सो बहुत ही सारा अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है ये, और बड़ा मजा आ रहा है आपसे बात करके. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ, लेकिन आपने ये बिल्कुल कहा कि बी इन अ प्रेजेंट. और मैं व्यूवर से भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि अगर आपके भी कोई क्वेश्चंस हो इस बारे में, तो हम और भी आगे देविका जी की हेल्प लेके हम और भी चीजें आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे और भी हेल्प करेंगे. हमारा मेन मोटो यही है कि आप मिसगाइड नहीं हो, और मेंटल हेल्थ में हम पूरी तरह से आपकी हेल्प करें. एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, या जो भी इन्होंने टर्म्स बनाई हैं उस तरीके से, तो जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि थोड़ा सा अगर कंक्लूड करें कि बी इन अ प्रेजेंट, सबसे
हाँ,
बेस्ट थिंग है कि बी
वो
माइंडफुल विद योर फूड, विद योर थॉट्स, विद योर थिंग्स
नहीं।
सराउंडिंग. सो ये बहुत अच्छी बात कही आपने, और लिटरली और भी हम क्वेश्चंस लेंगे, बहुत सारी चीजें. तो आज के लिए तो ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. तो प्लीज देविका जी, बड़ा अच्छा लगा आपसे बातें करके,
Before
मतलब.
that, I am just intervening, but
प्लीज.
the naturopathy also gives you a lot of naturopathic treatments, right? There is this a lot of mud therapy, there is this
हम्म.
sauna bath, there is fruit, there is a diet, a lot of treatments.
फास्टिंग,
You're
हाँ.
fasting, langanam param aushadham, right? It is like there are a lot of treatments even for that, which will come up in the coming podcast. But what I
पक्का.
would say that naturopathy also has such fantastic therapies wherein में जाके बैठ जाओ ना सोना पे, सोने
हाँ.
पे ठीक है ना,
बिल्कुल. आप
हाँ,
मसाज मसाज कराइए,
मसाज
सिरोधारा,
कराओ.
और वो
The moment you
सिरोधारा.
get anxious and जाओ, book your slot and go get your massage done by a masseur, and then enjoy immediately, or you'll be relaxed, you know.
रिलैक्स्ड.
So there are
परफेक्ट.
always, my funda is very clear. The first is that nothing is important rather than your peace of mind,
पीस ऑफ
and the
माइंड.
second thing is that for every problem in this world, in this life, you have a solution for it.
परफेक्ट.
There is nothing alternative that you can never say that a problem does not have a solution. A problem
एग्जैक्ट.
always has a solution, and human mind should always tap it. When you just tune yourself into that tapping mode of frequency, 100% you will find a solution to it. For that,
परफेक्ट.
you need to be vigilant, you need to be in that self-awareness mode and live in the present. So it's
वाओ.
it's amazing. It's a quite a pleasure always talking to Dr. Monica on her podcast. So maza aa jata hai mujhe bas when we talk about all of this, right?
ना, इट्स
Because
सो
it's
गुड.
so collaborating, बहुत ही sync होता है modern medicine and the alternative medicine along with yoga, and the therapeutic aspect of it. It is like it syncs so well in actually having a good physical and mental health. So that's why
ब्यूटीफुल.
I always say that, kindly, I used to suggest even to my students and to everyone. I take this also as an opportunity on this platform, that I always say that kindly don't misunderstand yoga with only having a slim body, and then don't think that that meditation is the key for your stress and anxiety. No, there is a sequence in which that you need to go in order to experience what actual yoga is. So
वाओ,
Sarve
सो
Janaha
ब्यूटीफुल.
Sukhino Bhavantu is my concluding word to all
वाओ.
of you. Thank you so much, Dr. Monica, for this
थैंक यू
great
सो मच,
opportunity.
थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच. और भी.
Thank you. Thank you.